So the West Indies head into the third and final test against England without suspended captain Jason Holder. Despite what many of us thought about Holder's appointment at the time, it is now what it is. The man is the top batsman, the top bowler, and the top all-rounder and influential leader of the team. So Holder's controversial suspension for the team's slow over rate in the second test, yes, we hear the argument that to sanction the captain of a team for effectively slowing down a test match that was finished in 2.5 days don't make no sense. And when that suspended player is the team's best player and leader, it makes it even worse. But you know, the Maverick hold in peace on this issue long enough, and I cannot be a hypocrite about it. There have been many test captains who have been suspended for slow over rate over the years, but it's the first time we're hearing this big hullabaloo just because it's the West Indies captain. The Maverick don't play that. If something is unjust and wrong, it must be deemed unjust and wrong for everybody. We can't call for selective justice. Jason Holder did what he had to do. He was focused on winning the test match and winning the series. So the skipper basically take one for the team. Now, having won the series, they can now play the last match without any pressure at all. Just make with Lego or Shane Thomas on the St. Lucia pitch, beat up England again, and make them find something else to squeal about.